Welcome to the demo of MobileScale, which uses RightScale's public API to allow management of your cloud-based servers easily and conveniently on your iPhone device. This is the beta version. This will be the first release, which we'll offer at $4.99 starting tomorrow. And with this version, you are able to do simple tasks as starting and stopping of full deployments and also starting and stopping of any individual servers. You also have the ability to check on your volumes, on your snapshots, review any of your security, and then of course search for any servers or any tags that are relevant. So let's go ahead and start, and I'll click on the deployments. And as you see, I have two deployments that it pulled up. Go ahead and click on one of them. As soon as you click on it, it takes you in, and then it shows you the servers that are part of that deployment. As you'll see here, the very first server has a green check mark, which means it's up and running and everything's running good. And then the second server you see here has a little red circle with a line through it, meaning that it is not running and it is down. Down here you do have the options to start all of the servers or stop all of the servers. So I'll go ahead and hit stop all the servers. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to do that? I'll say yes. It will then go ahead and attempt to issue the stop command. It issued the stop command. And so then we'll go back out and I'll show you what it looks like to have a lot of servers in your default. So I come back, I have 4 different servers in here. So now I'm clicking on the server and it shows me the little Linux penguin telling me that I'm on the Linux OS. Also says that my server is currently operational and that I'm a m1.small. Now if I'm not familiar with, or if I forget what m1.small means, I can just simply click on it and it pulls up a window showing me what exactly that means from Amazon. And so it gives me the quick description of it. Go ahead and close the window. It also gives me the IP address, the public DNS, and then the private IP address and the private DNS as well. It also tells me what current pricing model I'm on. And then I do have the options to start, stop, or just completely reboot. Go ahead and start this. Now it tells me that it was successful, that I was able to start the server. Take me back to my deployment. And I want to go ahead and look at what volumes I have currently open. So the volumes here, I have one volume out there. It is 10 gigabytes. And as you'll see here by the American flag and the word East, that it is in the US East zone. And the green check mark meaning that it is viable. Now I can click on it and get a better description. It gives me what current state it's in, when it was created, the description, and then if there's any tags associated with it. I'll go ahead and show you what the snapshots look like. It's a lot like the volumes, and it's the same thing. With the RightScale API, you do get all the volumes that are available from RightScale as well. So you'll see here a lot of volumes that don't belong to you or that you've never done before. And that's okay, because these volumes are available for you to use and transfer and have no problem doing so. And again, you just click on it and you get a better description about what it exactly is and if there are any tags associated with it. Alright, so I'll go look at security, and I have 2 security groups. I have the default and the admin. And again, you click on it and you find out more information. My admin allows me to do, it opened up the port 443 from TCP to 443 inside. And of course, I'm using 00 for my IP addresses. And the default shows me that it's allowing, again, TCP 80 from the outside into port 80 on the servers on the inside. Now, if I do need to go in and change any of my login credentials, or when I initially start up, I can go ahead and enter my credentials in here. For the RightScale API, you do need your account number. Now, I do suggest that you don't go and try to find your account number. It's not one of the easier things to find, but rather, instead of doing that, just go ahead and click on the Get Account Number. Now, what it's doing is it's going ahead and it opens up my.rightscale.com website, which you go in and you log into. And once you get done entering your information, and you hit login, oops, apparently I typed the wrong email address, so we're going to have to cut that out. So once you get done typing your credentials in, hit login, and then it goes ahead and grabs your account number for you, so you don't have to worry about anything. So then you go ahead and just re-enter your credentials here. And it accepted the credentials without any problem. All right, so again, this is the MobileScale iPhone application, which allows for simple and easy management for basic controls of starting, stopping servers and deployments through the RightScale API. This is brought to you by R3, and thank you very much.